I found a business in Dallas that literally made me stop scrolling. It costs $119,000 and brings in almost $100,000 a year in cash flow. After reviewing the details, the deeper I looked, the clearer it became how well structured and profitable this business really is. Here's the deal. It's a pool cleaning business operating with 53 recurring accounts, each cleaned on a set weekly schedule. This creates predictable income and demonstrates the power of recurring revenue. It reduces risk and makes operations far simpler compared to businesses that rely on constantly chasing new customers. The financials are remarkable. The business sells for $119,000, while the annual cash flow is close to $100,000. Low overhead means most of that cash flow goes straight to the owner. There are no extensive staffing requirements, minimal equipment costs, and the operations are straightforward, which is a major factor in its high profitability. Looking at EBITDA provides additional insight into the business's operational efficiency. Even without adjusting for taxes, depreciation, and amortization, the cash flow is nearly equal to the purchase price. This indicates strong profit margins and a business model that converts revenue into owner profit very efficiently, which is rare in small businesses. Another key aspect is the value of tangible assets and existing contracts. The business comes with established client relationships, contracts, and operational systems. You are not buying an idea or a promise. You are acquiring a proven system that generates real, verifiable income from day one. Scalability is another advantage. The business can continue generating its current cash flow as it is, or it can be expanded. Adding a few more accounts in nearby neighborhoods would increase revenue without requiring significant additional investment. The simplicity of an owner-operated model allows for growth without operational complexity. So what does this deal teach us about buying profitable small businesses? The smartest approach is to minimize risk. Look for recurring revenue, low overhead, and systems that already work. That way, you're not gambling on potential, you're investing in reality. Start with a proven foundation, and growth becomes much easier, letting you focus on scaling instead of fixing problems.